wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no.
Hi, ito may vlog YouTube channel. So, Kalyemoto Vlog. So, you can watch this in Kalyemoto.
Okay, I'll subscribe.
Yes, Kalyemoto
Subscribe to my
Vlog. So, give and take.
Yeah, give and
Okay,
take.
what is
Let me go home. I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna come.
pictures tayo ngayon ng mga street food. So, tingnan natin at dalawin natin yung kainang street food ng San Carlos, Pangasinan with our cameraman. No? So, shoutout natin si Miko, no? At ang kanyang service, that is click. Of course, di mawawala yung gamit natin, yung ating SK. So, kasama natin lagi yan sa pagbablog. So, shoutout and kita-kits tayo. Ito yung tunay na street food, hindi sa India kinakamay.
Hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
Ginagano sa kilikili. Tayo, tinuturo-turo. Hindi sa kilikili. So, yun ang street food ng Pilipinas. Shoutout sa lugar. Yan, di mo na makita sa atin ang usukan.
Kumain na kayo. Kain na daw. Huwag niyong kamayin! Huwag niyong kamayin! Mapapanis! Kutsarahin niyo! Kutsarahin niyo!
Tara, barbecue. Di mo na makita yung mukha. Kasama natin sa atin. Yun. Grabe, mga pagkain, ano, street food. No, hindi ka na makakauwi ng bahay nyo para kumain na niluto ng nanay mo. Kasi dito pa lang mabubusog ka na. Wala dito ang gagawin ko ng pagkain. Sarap ba bro ako sarap? Sigurado. One of our friends na mahilig sa street food. Why do you like the street food?
What would I say?
Before we start, speak out. So say hi to my vlog YouTube channel. So Kalyemoto Vlog. So you can watch.
Ugong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
What's this in Kalyemoto?
Okay, I'll subscribe.
Yes, Kalyemoto
Subscribe to my
Vlog. So give and take. Okay, what is your YouTube channel? Okay, so can you give me your YouTube channel?
Imapet TV.
Why you eat always
Okay, so I like this one actually.
Filipino food, not Indian food ah?
No, I mean street foods in general, they are okay. Street foods in general are okay, but when I come here, and I've been here for a while, so this one, I've been coming here like almost every time.
Yeah, that's
So
why.
it's not my first time really.
This is your first time?
No, no, it's not my first time.
This is not your first time. This is second time, third time, or fourth time?
I lost count.
You do not know stuff. How about the food? It's
It's
okay?
okay.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
About the taste,
It's good.
the process.
It's good.
Because in India, I'm not saying India is not good in a street food. Because Filipino, actually, we have a lot of tusok-tusok, something like that, or turo-turo. So, mga subscribers, paki-subscribe yung YouTube channel. So, can you say your YouTube channel?
So Imapet TV, Imapet TV. I talk about electronics. I fix cars. I fix gadgets like that.
Oh, wow. It's all about gadget, right?
Gadget cars.
So,
like that.
paki-subscribe po mga Kalyemoto Vlog, no? So, yung YouTube channel niya, so subscribe it. Kasi more on PC. Family dinner like that.
Yeah. Gadgets, electronic cars like that.
Okay. So, anyway bro, thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet
Nice
you
to meet
again.
you.
So, I subscribe. Okay, so thank you. Paki-shoutout sa mga yan. Okay, thank you. So, yun. So, yun mga kakalye. Grabe, street food. Naka-encounter pa tayo ng isang YouTuber. That is also one of our friends vlogger din. Like nila yung mga street foods. Say hi, bro! So, foreigner yun. So, okay lang ba? Tayo kung masarap to. So, may natin paano nga. Pabalot nga ako mga halagang 40. Ayan. Street food proven, no? Hindi kagaya ito ng Indian street food na kinakamay. So tayo, ginagamitan ng pang-ipit. Oh, yan. Yeah. So yan, napakasarap. Kaya pagka usapang pagkaing Pinoy, so drop by ka San Carlos, Pangasinan. No? Ito yung isa sa mga pinakamaraming street food. So, nakikita doon. Ayan. So, madami lang po yung tao rito pag gumagabi na. So sa tanghali, wala pa po masyado. So mas maraming kumakain. No, proben natin. Uy! 40. So dito naman tayo. Yan, proben. Mga pagkain pinirito naman. So, calamares, tinusok, bagong version. So kung doon pinirito, dito tinusok. Tapos, tugpugo. No, hindi tayo kagaya ng mga street food ng India. I always say, kinakamay. So dito naman, tinusok, tinugpugo. Minsan ako ng kutsara. So, siya, ilang taon nang titinda ko yan. Ng kwek-kwek. Tagal na rin to. Okay, so almost a year na. So yun, malamig po yun sa akin natin. Okay. So, 10. Yan. So, pampalamig, ito rin. No? Pantanggal ng uhaw. So, mas maganda raw pag mga buko. So, this is a natural. So, pa na rin ito, Tol. Ikotin mo na yan. Atin mo na.
Busing, madam, nugget! Boss, nugget, madam.
Nugget, ma'am.